The Cinegears Ghost-Eye 200M wireless video transmission system transmits 10-bit 422 1080p video at 60 frames per second and has an operational range of 200 meters. The new 200M model has a sleek and compact design, maintaining signal with the least amount of weight possible. Its CNC unibody aluminum design has an NPF battery mount built in, making it extremely durable. While the default 200M receiver has a range of 200 meters, attaching a Cinegears extra-large panel antenna increases the range up to 800 meters. The kit comes with 2 D-tapped LEMO power cables, 2 SDI cables, a trapezoid clip for mounting on a V-mount connector, and an AC adapter. The carrying case is durable and weatherproof, custom made for your 200M. If you want to learn more about this device, check out our website at cinegears.com.